By the pond where the lilies grow, oh, the morning sun begins to glow. Old MacDonald calls, come near. Let's count ducks, they're playing here. One little ducks go quack, 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 waddling off and then comes back, flapping wings and splashing feet, finding bugs and crumbs to eat. Two little ducks go quack, 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 swimming round, no looking back, diving deep beneath the blue, popping up they say peek-a-boo. Three little ducks go quack, 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 racing fast along the track. One goes left, one goes right, one takes off and flies from sight. Four little ducks go quack, 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 marching home in one big pack. Through the reeds so tall and green, they sparkle bright with a golden sheen. Five little ducks go quack, 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 Mama duck says come right back. Wings go flap and tails go shake, they follow her across the lake. Now the ducks are home and dry underneath the evening sky. Old MacDonald waves and sings, counting ducks is fun with wings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hooray!